The body stains, they are absolutely fantastic because you achieve exactly the right color. The value material, for me, it's outstanding because you can exactly control your value of your reconstructions. And of course the incisal materials like blue, like Pacific to create incisal effects of absorbent zones in the incisal edge. Yeah, hi, I'm Rudy from Portugal. I'm native from Germany. I immigrated to Portugal with 24 years. With HeraCeram I'm working already since mainly 25, 30 years. Yeah, we were, I think, at this time, first users of HeraCeram in Portugal. I was thrilled with the color reproductions. They were perfect. And the easy handling of the material. So HeraCeram creative, for me, it means that it is very predictable, it is safe to use, and it is highly aesthetic. I have so much possibilities for the gingiva reproduction, so I can achieve basically all the colors, all the gingiva effects what I want to achieve because of the quantity of gingiva colors. Easy to use, very nice aesthetic results, and very reliable, predictable.